Hi, I'm Peter from Les Murdy, and I just had a splashback installed by Perth Splashbacks, and I asked the gentleman, did he know anybody who installed the Rangehoods? And he gave me Neil's phone number from Perth Rangehoods, and from that moment on it was great. Your attention to detail, as a customer, you try to leave you do your job, but in the background we are sort of watching what you're doing, and I found your attention to detail. You just didn't do the job, you did it, measured it, went back, made sure it was all correct, and I just watched your attention to detail was fantastic. 4.99. I never give people 5 stars, so you're just about there, but I don't think anybody's perfect. You should always be trying to strive to become better, and so you got a 4.99. Oh, just do it. Just pick up the phone and ring Neil, and from the moment I rang you, I found you pleasant on the phone, informative. This morning you said you'd arrive at 9, you rang us and told you I'm running a little bit late, and I just thought that was fantastic. You kept your customers informed. Just do it. Job's done. Fantastic. And the wife's happy, and that's very important.